Tata Punch, small package, big dhamaka. This car was first showcased at Auto Expo 2020 as Tata HBX, and now it has finally released at the Punch. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Autocar Mantra. This is Mantram Shetty, and today I'm gonna do a review on the brand new Tata Punch. Punch already created the punch in Indian market by getting highest safety rating by Global NCAP. We get chisel cut bonnet, which is helpful to see the periphery of the bonnet from the driver point of view. It is helpful in the city traffic. This is dual tone bumper with 360-degree cladding around the car. It helps for the off-road capabilities. We get split headlight setup, in which at top we get LED DRL and indicator. At bottom we get halogen projector headlamps and corner fog lights. We get new grille with piano black finish and tri-arrow motif, and we also get a humanity line which feels like a smile. We get 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels with the tire size of 195/60/16. We get fully black ORVM with indicators. We get dual tone treatment and a roof rail. We also get a C-pillar mounted door handle, which is unique, and both the doors open in 90-degree, as you can see. It features a spoiler, high mounted stop lamp, rear defogger, a smart wiper with washer. It gets new tri-arrow shape LED tail lights. We also get a rear parking camera with rear parking sensors. From 1.2 meter of space, you can open the boot keylessly. When we open the boot, we get a partial tray where you can keep light luggages. We get a hook where you can keep handbags. Here we get a puncture kit all over the variants, and we get the boot space of 366 liter. To increase the boot space, you can fold the seats, and now you can see we get a big boot. Coming to rear seats, we feel so comfortable. We get good knee room, good leg room, good under thigh support, and we get a flat floor. That means 3 people can sit comfortably. And I'm a height of 5'9", but still I have good amount of headroom. We get adjustable headrest and a center armrest. Coming to interior, at right side we get the controls for the power window and ORVM. Here we get the control for idle start stop, fog lamp, and if we click this button once, it will go to economy mode.
Drive mode activated.
And if we click once again, it will come back to city mode. That means activated. It's 1 engine and 2 drive modes. I really like the design of this steering, but many people still think that in this car the horn will be here, but now it has shifted near your thumb. We get flat bottom steering with leather wrapping. On the left side we get the controls for the media and voice command. At right side we get the controls for the cruise control and the instrument cluster. Here we get controls for the automatic headlamps. Here we get the controls for automatic wipers. And coming to instrument cluster, on the left side we get digital tachometer, on the right side we get speedometer. We get 7-inch TFT screen with car screening, and when we browse you get distance to empty, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, and power and torque, in which you can see power and torque ratio. We also get tilt option for steering, from which you can adjust the steering as per your comfort. We get a mic which is used for attending the calls or voice command. We get interior lights. We also get a day and night IRVM, and here we get the sensor for rain sensing wipers. We get 7-inch Harman floating infotainment system, in which we get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, connected tech, voice commands, audio setup, Bluetooth audio, contacts, iPod, park assist, and many more features. We also get a tweeter and a speaker. One of the special feature is, in neutral also you can see the parking camera from park assist. We get rectangular AC vents with silver finish around it. Here we get the control for the hazard lights. Here we get control for the automatic AC control. Here we get 12-volt charging socket and a USB port. We also get some space near the handbrake. It gets a soft opening the glove box. It also gets cooled glove box. Here we get the tablet holder. Here we get pen holder and visiting card holder. The size of the glove box is decent. Here we get a hook where you can keep the handbags. Now I am gonna say the special feature of Tata Punch. The people who sit in the front row can operate the infotainment system, but the people who sit in the rear row can use the Connect Next app to operate the infotainment system.
A street chair fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Coming to dimension, we get length of 3827 mm, width of 1715 mm, and a height of 1614 mm. We get a 4-channel ABS, and the air intake is a bit higher, from which the water weighting capacity of the car is 370 mm. And this car offers 1.2 liter 3-cylinder engine which produces 86 horsepower and 113 Nm of torque. Coming to safety and features, it is built on Alpha platform and it has scored 5-star rating in Global NCAP. It has also got the title of India's safest car. It also offers 2 airbags, ABS, brake sway control, corner brake control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, connected tech, keyless entry, automatic headlamps and wipers. The Tata Punch comes with 4 variants. 4 personas: the pure persona, accomplished persona, adventure persona and creative persona. The price of this car starts from 5,49,000 to 7,89,000, and this car rivals with Maruti Suzuki Ignis, Wagoner, Nissan Magnite and Renault Kiger. Yeah, so this is the Tata Punch. It has got a spirited performance, absolute safety and best value for money. The Tatas nailed it in terms of safety and features. If you like this car, you can go to KHT Motors, book the car or take a test drive. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for getting notification of all my future videos. Thanks for watching.